It has a drape in here.
Oh no, those were they were there.
Oh, that one's not in there.
Yeah.
So this appears to be a disposable bag.
The biohazard. A fake biohazard bag.
So here's your little disposable bag right in here, right on top, so you can, and then, you know, open it so you can get to it easily, so when you take your other things off, you can throw them like right in.
Oh. So maybe we should open our kit before we
Yeah.
take the stuff out.
Right.
Yeah, okay.
So, okay, so you will put all of that in there. Then, so you open your gloves. Like that. It says that it's right, but it's really left.
Well, it's been used before, so I might not have.
Oh, maybe that's why then. Other glove. Oops, I wouldn't have all that on.
You filled it, really?
Okay. Have it up high.
Did you redo it again?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So then you have a drape.
Oh, you just dropped your name.
Now, if you were going to irrigate the wound, you would have saline and a large syringe to draw up your saline with. And then when you irrigate, you want to irrigate from the top of the bottom. Top to bottom.
Yeah.
And actually the patient's head, I'm gonna put him on. If I was gonna irrigate it, I would have it up just a little bit more, so you have a little bit more of an incline. I'd have them, these guys are so stiff. But, so, because you want the solution to run down, right? So, I never do that. So you would just irrigate with the saline. Yeah. All right. So, you have a little basin here, and you'd have a thing of saline. This is, you have a sterile field here. So I imagine this is the basin that they want you to use, or you could bring a separate basin, sterile basin. I would have brought a separate basin, I think, to put the saline in, because they want you to, hmm?
This is what our kids look like.
This is what our kids look like?
Does it have those scissors in it? Yeah.
That's pretty cool. School days.
Yeah, it's forceps.
Squeeze.
I don't think it has scissors.
Oh, that one has scissors and tape.
Ours has tape, but it doesn't have scissors.
Tape's so they're happy.
You probably have to use your own scissors. Yeah.
You have your saline set up and open. So again, if you haven't poured that ahead of time, when you pour it in, then that one hand is contamination.
Or you could stop me in the hallway and ask for help.
Yes, that's always very helpful when you have a friend who pours it in for you.
So we should plan on pouring it before we put on our gloves.
Well, you can't, because you can't get to the basin unless you brought a separate sterile basin in with you.
Okay.
Then you could do that. Then you could open up the basin, pour the saline in before you go in and put on your gloves. Otherwise, you would do it before.
What is a sterile basin?
Huh?
What does it look like?
It's just a bowl.
Well, it's just a bowl, you can use this, it's a
They-
sterile basin.
You know,
Or
like they
it's
use
like
in
a little
surgery.
bowl that comes
It's like a steel
wrapped,
bowl, and they
sterile.
sterilized it. In
Oh.
But they come
When
in
they
plastic
package.
bowls,
Yeah.
it's just a little bowl,
Oh.
about this size.
It's just packaged sterile. Sterile.
Okay. Yeah.
It's just
So it's okay to like open, if you did open that basin and then pour the saline ahead of time? And it,
Yeah,
Okay.
you could open that up before you have your sterile gloves on or anything.
Okay.
Open that, pour it in, and then go. And then when you open this up, then you can put your gauze. You wanna put your gauze, we'll use this for now, but you wanna put your gauze, that you're gonna pack with, in the soap and the saline, right? Okay. So, you would irrigate the wound or cleanse it around. And then you're going to pack it, and you can use, after you've cleaned around. You always want to go from clean to dirty, inner to outer. Throw that away if you need to. And then when you pack this, you can use these little forceps to help get it in.
It's like that one video where she used like the pointy side of the
Seems like it hurts so
cardboard
much.
to pack in the mesh. That's like really.
I think, like when the guy screamed, I think I would jump if I was like working on him. I'd be like, oh my gosh.
So, and you would. So that would be the wet part of your dressing. And then you would put the dry part on, followed by I would have another one. Should have another one left over here to put. I would bring extra ones, depending upon how large the wound is. 4x4, and then you finish by putting the abdominal. One
you
on.
want to see the lines.
Huh?
You want to see the lines.
The lines, yeah, they're usually up. And then you can put your little Montgomery straps back on. Don't need your gloves on to tie it up.
And then we're done? Oh,
How do you tie the Montgomery?